Hey everyone, Miguel here. Welcome guys to the channel. Well, today I'm showing you another video, crypto related guys, with, as you know, exchanges, wallets. Very important for us to be aware of these things so that we can move our funds around. If you are starting a new project, a new company, whatever you are doing on the crypto world, right? And guys, today, very simply today, I'm going to show you how you can log in to OKX exchange, one of the big exchanges out there. So stay until the end so that you know exactly what to do if for any instance you have some doubts on this matter. All right guys, don't forget down below to give that like, subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a link for you to join me on OKX and also on my two projects. My biggest one obviously is Bytnex. So guys, stay until the end, all right, and watch every single detail. So guys, I'm doing this on my mobile, so obviously OKX, if you haven't done that, you download, okay, you try to register, all right, and then if you are already registered, very simply you click, okay, you click on login here on the top and the bottom left, and you have two options to be able to log in, either with your phone number or with your email. Right, in my case I'm going to insert my phone number, and then all you need is click on next and passkey security check. And guys, in my case, all right, I have already my passkey is through my to validate my identity with my finger. All right, so in this case, very simple. You just need I tap here on my finger and automatically I'm going to be logged in. And this is one step. Then there's another way, another security authentication, which is through our phone and also through our email. So you are going to send the code to your phone number and to your email, and then you need to insert here that code to it's another added security feature so that your funds are really secure. So you just click here, send code, and then I'm going to receive that code here on my mobile phone. Okay, it's already here. So OKX verification code, so 3283. Let me see if I can. No, I can't. So 32 83 32 83 78, if I'm not wrong. 78 exactly. And now all I need is send code to my email. Right, now I'm going here to my email and I will get that code, your new device login code. Right, and let me see, I can copy the code and I will paste it here and then continue, confirm. Don't forget to have those seconds to do both things, right? And then guys, here we are. As you can see guys, I am now already on my OKX account and I'm logged in. All right, so pretty simple, but for if you haven't set up all these things guys, I will probably do another video explaining how you can register here on OKX, because I think I've did a video but it's already quite some time old, and sometimes the layout of things change, and it's then if you are doing this on this year, on 2026, on the beginning on January 26, and this was for 1 year or two, sometimes they make some changes and it's good to be up to date with these things. All right guys, well guys, I hope you appreciate the video. Down below, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on your notifications, And also guys, I have a link for you to join me here on OKX and also on with my projects with Bytnex especially, and also with Amplivio, and I'm gonna start a couple more projects very soon. Alright guys, appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.